الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على خير خلق الله سيدنا وحبيبنا محمد ابن عبد الله عليه أفضل الصلاة وأتم التسليم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. أخواني الكرام، أخواتي الكريمات، السلام الله عليكم ورحمته وبركاته. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. Dear brothers, dear sisters, dear learners, I would like to welcome you to our free English language course, which is presented to you by English 101 UK. In this introductory video, which is made for the pre-intermediate level, I am going to brief you about this course, which is held via Telegram and YouTube. If you are watching this video between the 15th of June 2020 to the 17th of August 2020, you should be a member of our channel or group in Telegram. This course is held for 10 weeks of time. The main lessons, the main lectures are presented to you weekly on Mondays. On Tuesdays, we are holding tutorials and questions. And by Thursday, you should be sending all your homework. So, on Mondays, you are receiving links via Telegram. By clicking on it, taking you to our channel in YouTube, where you can attend and watch our lessons and lectures. On Tuesday, you can ask and clarify things that are not very clear to you. By Thursday, you should be sending all your work. This course contains tutorials besides lessons in grammar, reading, writing, speaking, and listening. As the course is online, students should be aware that they might need data to be able to attend these lectures. Learners are required to attend these lectures and do the homeworks, eventually take exams in reading, writing, speaking, and listening. By attending and completing this course, students are awarded certificates at the end of this course. As I mentioned before, this course are held for 10 weeks. Lessons are presented on Mondays. The grammar, reading, writing, speaking, and listening. On Tuesdays, you will be able to ask your questions. And every Thursday, your work should be received by the end of the day. So this is an introductory video about the course, which is presented to you by English 101 UK. I am your tutor, Idrис Mercy.